Hey guys, and welcome back. So I know it's been forever. I have been so MIA on social media. Yeah, if you can hear that, that's one of the reasons why. We're having our basement finished, so we've had contractors in and out of here for the past few days. It's been so loud. Yeah, the noise level is definitely not conducive to filming. Also, my sister just got married, so we had her bachelorette, her bridal shower, and her wedding just this past weekend. So I've been like crazy busy with planning and everything for her. And then also all this virtual schooling. We've decided to keep our oldest son completely virtual. Anyways, it's just been a lot, and I have just not had time for social media, but I have missed you guys so much. And I just got this in the mail about a week ago. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So I've partnered again with Fabfitfun to share with you their winter box. And if you're new to my channel, Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription service. So they have boxes 4 times a year, and they always include full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. The boxes always retail over $200, but with my coupon code, you can get your box for $39.99. So everything I'm about to show you for under 40 bucks. It's a heck of a steal. I have been subscribed to Fabfitfun for years. It's really the only box that I have remained subscribed to, just because I always love all of the products inside. So let's dive in and show you everything that I picked out. So I'm going to go ahead and flip to the What's in the Box section of my Fabfitfun magazine so that I can share with you the retail value of everything that I got. So the first goodie I picked out in my winter box is this really beautiful LED vanity mirror from Impressions Vanity Company. This actually retails for $45 and it is gorgeous. So let me go ahead and pull it out for you guys. It's just really chic, really nice, super modern and simple. Ooh, it's already dirty because I've been using it on my vanity for the past week. And I absolutely love it. So you can see it is white, very simple design, which I love. Very good size mirror. It turns on with the touch of a button. So just a tap and you can turn the lighting off and on. And you probably won't be able to tell in the camera, but if you hold the little button down, it actually gets dimmer and brighter. So you can adjust the brightness, and it has a dual power source. So I put batteries in mine, but you can also use a USB power cable. So if your batteries die, you're good to go. You can just plug it in. So this is amazing, a really great gift idea as well. I had been needing a new vanity mirror, so I was really excited that that was one of their options. So I'm just gonna set it back up over here because, hello, I need this, honey. So next up from Dr. Brandt, their Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. Love Dr. Brandt. I have a ton of his skincare items. They never fail. They're always really good. This retails for $36 and it removes makeup residue and dead skin while banishing sebum and decongesting pores. So literally, because I have combination oily skin, this is what I need to use every night. And I typically do a double cleanse with this and another cleanser, and my skin just feels amazing. This almost has like a really fresh, like cooling feeling after you use it, which I really like. And for 36 bucks, this is almost how much you're gonna pay for the entire box. So an amazing deal. Oh my gosh, I was so excited to see these Kate Spade studs as one of the options in the winter box. These are the New York Rise and Shine stud earrings, and it comes with a set of 2. So you get 2 gorgeous pairs of stud earrings, and these do retail for $68. So both of these pairs of studs are gold plated. You can see that the earrings on the top are really cute rhinestone studs, and then the ones here on the bottom have rhinestones and pearls. So just a beautiful set of earrings. I'll put some in just to show you what they look like on. So you can see these studs are just absolutely stunning. They're the perfect size. I love me a big stud, you guys. Perfect for a holiday party, so I know I will definitely be wearing these nonstop. And the pearls are really adorable too. So again, these retail for $68, so these earrings alone pay for your entire box and then some. Super giftable because they come in this cute little pink Kate Spade pouch, great for a stocking stuffer. So next up, I picked these really cute little E-Perry cutting board. This is a set of 4. They do have non-slip, really like grippy backs, so it's easy to cut up all of your fruits and veggies and everything right on the counter. They are nice and thin, so they're not going to take up a lot of storage space, which I love. They're also dishwasher safe, which is super convenient. And another really great feature is that each of the cutting boards is a different color, and all of them have a little picture on them. You can see this one is a shrimp. So this cutting board would be for seafood. Then there's one for like fruits and veggies, chicken and beef, so that you don't have cross-contamination. Be great for holiday cooking. Retails for $19.95 for those cutting boards. Next up from Tula, yay! I absolutely love Tula products, and I had been wanting to try this so badly, so I'm really excited to see it. So this is their Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This retails for $30, and it's supposed to energize and awaken the under eye area, or you can use it as a highlighter for an instant glow. Really cute, little convenient, easy to use stick. So it's beautiful. It has a glowing effect underneath your eyes, and it also feels nice and cool. So absolutely love this one. It'll be great underneath makeup, I think. Probably better than over top of makeup, especially if you bake like I do. But yeah, really, really nice product. Again, it retails for $30. Okay, so next up is from London Town. This is their Get Well Nail Recovery. And this is going to nourish your... And this will nourish your nails... And this nourishes your nails with a blend of alpha hydroxy acids and vitamins B5 and C. Thank gosh, because I did dip nails for the wedding and I just took them off, so don't even look. They're really, really bad. And this is going to be great. So you just apply one coat on bare nails and let it dry, and you're supposed to do it twice a week. Yes, please recover, please, because the acetone just like ate my nails right about off my hand. The hammering is nonstop. Like, this is going to be the longest 2 weeks of my life. Hands down. Pray for me, all, because I'm stuck at home and I might go insane. This Get Well Nail Recovery retails for $20. And it's just clear. And hopefully it works. I'll update you guys. But it looks nice. They look shiny and happy now. Yay! These are from Noir Jewelry, and these are ombre leopard scrunchies, and I was so excited because I'm a total scrunchie girl. Most of the time when you see me, unless I'm like filming or I'm out with friends or something, my hair's up. Okay, because it's just easy. I have 2 kids under 5. That's how we roll here. So I absolutely love these. So there's kind of like a taupey color, white one, and then like a true darker leopard. And they're kind of like this silky satiny material, but they have great elastic, nice and stretchy, so your hair is not going to fall out. I have really fine, kind of like thin hair, so it's important that they're not like too loose. So they're nice, tight elastic. And these scrunchies retail for $25. Next up, another really great brand. This is Wishes Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. And I've actually used this before, so I know I love it. And this exfoliates, moisturizes, and renews with organic brown sugar and organic shea butter. It literally tastes like yummy birthday cake, a huge tube. Like, this will last you forever. So really easy to apply. You just put it on your lips, kind of rub them together, let it sit there for a little bit, and then rinse it off. I usually use like a warm washcloth. This is paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, phthalate-free, I don't even know how to say that. DEA and T free, petrochemical free, cruelty free, Leaping Bunny certified. Okay, so this is like all organic and wonderful for your lips. I use this all the time because my lips get really dry in the winter, so this is a really great addition to the winter box. Love it. So that was everything that I got in my Fabfitfun Winter box. And I just went ahead and added everything up that I got in my box, and it came to $263.95. So literally $264 worth of products for under $40 with my $10 off coupon code. I will put it in the description below, so be sure to check that out. You guys will not regret subscribing to Fabfitfun. Like I said, it is the best seasonal subscription service. Absolutely love it. Great holiday gift idea for your mom, your friend, your sister, your girlfriend, your wife, anybody that you love. Send them a Fabfitfun box. They will love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back soon with a holiday bedroom decorating video and a much requested holiday home tour, because I know a lot of us are stuck at home this year and you love to see how I decorate my house for Christmas, and I love to share it with you guys. So I will definitely be back with some Christmas videos, and I hope all of you are staying healthy and safe. And until next time, bye guys.